This award means a lot to me because I'd say a lot of people just know me as a singer, and I feel incredibly grateful to be acknowledged for another one of my passions. And I'd like to thank ABS-CBN, my Star Magic family, my manager, Captain Luz, my RM, Kuya Aska, my stylist, Kuya Ryan, thank you for always making me look good. My parents, my dad is here with me today, thank you, I love you for always being endlessly supportive. And of course, last but definitely not least, thank you so much to all the fans and the fandoms sa pagmamahal niyo sa akin. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much and congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move forward with the entertainment category with our next presenters. She is a commercial model.
Thank you, Lord. This may take quite some time, but we would like to give our thanks to these people. So, I'm Dingdong Bahan and I'm with Patrick Ramirez. Maraming salamat po for this recognition. And this recognition being named as BL Love Team of the Year is not just an award, but it's also a celebration of our love and our courage. To our families, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtanggap, pagsuporta. At dadalhin namin to sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. To the Pinoy Big Brother management and to our co-housemates, maraming salamat. Actually, yung first task na itago yung relasyon namin, that wasn't easy. But because of the time na dumating yung pagtanggap at pagmamahal, more than that yung na-receive namin, and it changed everything. To our Star Magic family, to Mama Bear, to Miss Catherine Angeles, thank you for guiding us and seeing us not as a risk, but a worthy sharing of our love story. To our Lolo Ninong, Derek Lauren Jogi, thank you for your leadership to continue opening doors for us people for better representation. To our bosses from ABS-CBN, to Sir Carlo Katigbak, Sir Mark Lopez, Tita Cory Vidanes, maraming salamat po for trusting us and for giving your lens para millions of Filipinos ang makakilala sa journey at sa love story ng Dongpan.
Hello, good evening. Honestly, hindi po namin expect na darating po yung moment na to na nasa simpleng katotohanan sa aming dalawa would be seen, heard, and felt by so many people. We didn't share our story for attention. Pumasok po kami sa industriya, dala ang kaba, takot, at higit sa lahat, katotohanan. And tonight, this award isn't just a trophy. It's a symbol of every heart that chose to live freely and truthfully. To our Dongpat family, our starfish, kayo ang lakas namin. Every tweet, comment, post, at dasal ay ramdam na ramdam namin. You didn't just support us. You love our story, and for us, that's everything. To the LGBTQIA+ community, we know that our fight is far from over. Pero sana yung kwento namin, you found a little strength. To love is brave, to be real is power. Thank you, VB Choice Award, for honoring our love and our story.
Oh, yan, Dongpan.
Ito sa white. Ayaw, may hawig din, diba? Ito kasi binisitahan siya rin.
Magkano po na pala?
Solo kay Meru. Always here, at least physically nandito.
Good evening, everyone. Of course, first and foremost, maraming salamat po to Village People, VP Choice Awards for this recognition. At sa lahat po ng mga bumoto, the Darenatics, I love you guys so much. Maraming salamat. And to the people who believed I could pull off a 10th anniversary concert at the Araneta Coliseum, my ABS-CBN family, maraming salamat po for being the first to really believe in me. To the people who I collaborated with to create my 10th anniversary concert, Direct Frank Lloyd Mamarel, the ABS-CBN music team, and everyone behind D10, maraming salamat po. And also to my management, Star Magic, and my Star Music family as well, maraming salamat. To my mom, my dad, my little sister, thank you guys so much for always believing in me as well. And of course, to God, maraming salamat for this blessing. Maraming salamat po and enjoy your evening, everyone.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Baby Choice Award, for this recognition. Well, thank you po sa family ko, sa Star Magic family, PBB family, to my friends. Maraming salamat po sa suporta na binibigay niyo. And hindi ito mangyayari lahat kung wala din ang aking mga fans. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Hello everyone, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. At first of all, we'd like to thank VP Choice Awards and sa lahat ng tao na nasa likod ng programa ito. Maraming salamat. And thank you for this opportunity. Also for this kind of recognition. Maraming salamat po sa ABS-CBN, sa Magic Family. Thank you so much po. And of course, sa fandom namin, JM Fiang Fandom. maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta nyo. Deserve nyo itong titulong to. Walang iba kundi kayo. At ayun, maraming salamat. Enjoy the ride.
Thank you, Matt Cruz and Ray Sunmar. To cap the business category, may we call on our